yun.
Naiyak ka pa rin ba?
Well, I tried my best na hindi kasi alam ko, pipicture niya ako after. Kaya trinay ko talaga kasi naku, tuloy-tuloy na yan. But I'm so happy. Honestly, hindi pa siya totally nagsisink in. Like, I think I have to watch it again tomorrow. But I'm so proud. I'm so happy. And hindi naman sa pagbubuhat yung maganda talaga siya. Yeah, walang ka-makeup. Kahit lip balm na tinted, di ako kaya. Kala ko nga sabotan siya. Tapos gusto niya lagi, pawisan, dugyot. Sabi ko, ano kaya itsura ko dito sa movie na to? And fairness, di naman pala pangit.
Super ganda. I think yung family drama na movie na kailangan talaga bumalik sa like sa normal. Kasi naalala ko yung mga family dramas na very 2000 stuff. Pero I think it should be modernized again and it should be brought back up. Kasi sobrang ganda ng movie na to. No bias. Bias aside, like of course, siyempre I'll always be biased towards Alexa, pero napakaganda ng movie. Napakahusay po ng mga actors and lahat po ng characters may backstory and you'll really feel them. It's a story about motherhood, friendship, love, and yeah, everybody should watch this talaga.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm inviting you all to catch Mujige in SM Cinemas nationwide starting October 9. Bring your friends, bring your family, and bring your tissue.